Okay, Navcha, please share your screen now. Open your RStudio. Okay, please wait. You need to remove, first you need to clean screen number 3 with brush button. Screen number 3. Please clean screen number 3 with brush button. And you are not working in any directory. Please open your mic or show me where your file and show me where you have saved your file after download.
Download
Where you have saved.
file is in my picture file in here batch.
Okay, show me here. Please open. No. Open this folder. No. Come back. Yes, at this stage. You need these file in outside of this folder. Outside of this. No. In this folder. Folder. No, please. Again, click. Here is a folder CN admin. Yes. Open this folder. No, please. No rename. Open this folder. Copy all this file. Control A. Copy. And come back main folder. Yes, paste here. Yes. Now open your RStudio. And now you need to open working directory. You are not working in any directory. So come on screen number 3, project none. Click on project none. Please, here is at the top. Here is project none.
Sure.
No, here is at the end. Here is batch 59. Click saved. It is showing you system. Again, click on batch 59. No, not Atiq. Saved. Error, there is no find the path specified. Okay. You need to come on folder. Please come on folder of batch 59. Folder on your PC. Open this file, open this folder. RStudio. Okay. Again, project is none in your case. It means you have no. Okay. Press OK. Again come on project none. Again click on batch 59. No, don't save. Click on don't save. Click on don't save. Okay. You need to create a working directory again. Your working directory is not working. No, it's okay. Your working is open. It means you need to, you also need to update your R 4.4.1 to 4.4.2.
Oh, sorry.
Okay. Okay. Now you need to click on file.
Thank you.
Here is batch, but here is click on batch 59. There is no file or your data set. Check location. Where is it? Is in D folder 2024 RStudio and batch 59. Open this location. Yes, this is your batch and there is no your shapefiles data. Copy all this data and paste here. You have created I think two folder with same name. Yes. Copy all this. Control A.
I think delete this,
Copy
right?
this. Control A and paste. Yes, here. Yes. Okay, no command RStudio. No, you get a list of these names. Okay, now you need to type script. First do library SF library SF run. Again run this library. Okay, now read SF. Again, yes. Shapefile. Yes. Copy. Rename and copy with shapefile. Also dot shapefile.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Paste here. Add inverted comma before and after.
Comma.
Inverted comma. Yes, after. Okay, now run this line. Okay, now give name to this file less than minus.
Uh,
Give name to this file. Add less than minus sign before read SF. No, before. At the start. Before read SF. Before, not after. Here. Yes, less than minus. Please add less than minus. No. This is the sign of less than minus.
Got it.
Yes, good. Less than minus. Also add minus. After less than, not before. Yes, it's mean equal. No, wait, please. No, you need to add name to this line. Give
Oh,
coding to this line. So, yes, good. Run this code. Yes, you will get a file in screen number 3.
yeah.
No, command line number 90.
90.
Yes, click here and type library ggplot2.
From,
Please click here,
and then ggplot.
library ggplot2, ggplot2 and run it. Yes. Now you need to type ggplot2. You will use function ggplot2, ggplot, not ggplot2, ggplot. Select first one. Add plus sign after this. Yes. Add plus sign after brackets. Yes. And type geom underscore sf. 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 Yes. And type data equal China and run. Here is the plot for China. No. If you want to add provinces level data, no, you have admin 0 in line number 18. You just need to replace admin 1 admin 0 with admin 1, and give name China underscore provinces, or just give China underscore P.
Here,
P for provinces, yes, underscore P. P for provinces, and run this line. Now you can check your, please run this line. China, and yes, you can check a new file created in screen number 3, China underscore P. Have 34 observations and 7 variables. Okay, click on script. You need to, no, you need to replace China underscore P in plot. In plot. No. P is okay, not B. Come on, line number 20.
20. Yeah.
Yes,
Here.
here. Yes, no, your file name is China P. Yes. Run it. It will give you countries, provinces boundary wall. Now, if you want to add more formatting, you can take str, China underscore P, and run. Copy this information and provide to ChatGPT. Now you can apply each and every type of plot with the help of ChatGPT. Okay, and write a message, please.
Is it right?
No. Write a message. I want to create a area map. I want to create an area map in R. Send this message. Here is a script for area map. Copy and run. Yes, run this code one by one. Next, 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 next. This is for um, provinces levels. Now, if you want to add different color, give ChatGPT, ask ChatGPT, I need different color for each variable. I need different color for each region. Color for each region. Okay, send. Okay, in this way, you will be able to perform each and every task which you have in your mind. And you can change color, text, direction, graph. You can extract some regions, and so on. So no, hopefully you will be able to perform lot of analysis with the help of R and ChatGPT. But if any participant feel I am unable to perform all type of analysis and I need more training, and he or she can join in my new batch with previous fee. Or if any participant have missed some classes and unable to continue this training due to missing class, he or she can also join. Okay, you need to ask to ChatGPT, please remove legend list. Please remove legend list. Now I have a demo class at 9 p.m. At Pakistan times. So I want to close your screen, but I need your comments, reviews within group. So please, all participants, share your views about training because you have attended training about more than 10 days, maybe 10 to 15 days. So please, all participants give your views, reviews or comments about this training and how you feel before and after training. Now here is the plot. So please copy this plot and share it within WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you. And if any participant feel, you can ask me any question at any time. Okay, thank you and goodbye.